In 2022, generating images with AI was a big deal. But in 2025, you can make not only movies but also web series with the help of AI. I had shared how to make movies with the help of AI. But in today's video, I am going to teach you how you can make a web series with the help of AI by keeping the characters consistent, where the character will be as per your choice and the story will also be as per your choice. And there will also be character consistency in every episode, which is the biggest problem with AI at present. So let's start without any delay. The name of the AI that we are going to use to create our own web series is SkyReels. SkyReels is an open source AI. That means if you want, you can train it for yourself as per your requirement. But if you do not want to do such complex work, then SkyReels also gives you a platform where you can get your work done. To come to this website, you just have to click on the link given in the description. After which you will have some such interface. Using SkyReels, you can create short movies, text to video and dramas, etc. If you scroll a little, you can even see what people have generated using SkyReels. And you guys can see for yourself how hyper-realistic it is. On the left-hand side, you are given a lot of models and tools which we will see using further in the video. But for now, let's move on to their most unique tool, which is AI Drama. As soon as you click on AI Drama, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Now here you people have three options to get your video or say web series created. Either in the Inspire section you can share your idea or inspiration in 300 words which is written in a good prompt way. Or if you are a script writer, then you can directly upload the script of your web series here. You can upload scripts up to 1 million words here. And if you don't have any script or any idea and still want to feel like a hero, then you can upload the complete novel in the novel section. Whatever novel you want to make a web series on, you can upload it here without any problem. I mean, just think about it. Earlier, to make a film from a novel, crores of rupees were spent on everything from director to actors and the entire production. But now you people can do this work sitting at home only with the help of AI. That too by making himself a hero. I mean, I haven't seen anything crazier than this yet, honestly. Well, I don't have any novel right now. Therefore, I will come to the inspiration section and share the story of Harry Potter movie with a little twist. After which you can select from the top here how many episodes you have received for this web series. Once you have decided the number of episodes, after that you just have to click on Generate. Now what this AI will do is that it will analyze the inspiration given by you and itself write a script for you. A script which will have dialogues and a story too. Meaning you literally don't need to use your brain. This AI will do all the work on its own. If you even want, you can edit any part of the script as per your wish. But for me the script is perfect right now. Because from what I read and could conclude, there is a sense of mystery in this script which is what I wanted. If you do not like the script, you can also get it regenerated from here. Now if you pay attention, this is just the script for episode 1. You can get each episode scripted one by one from here. But since I'm teaching you guys how to use this AI tool, so for now I will just proceed with episode 1 without wasting much time. Now once your script is ready, then you will need characters for your story. So in the character section, this AI will automatically generate the characters as per the requirement of your story. And that too, as many characters as required. There are only 3 characters in our first episode. So it has generated that thing itself. Even who is the leading character and who is the supporting character. This has also been defined perfectly here. Now if you want, you can go ahead with these characters also. But if you want to make changes, then you can come to some such interface by clicking on Change Looks. Here you can see from where the reference of the character has been taken. Now if you want any character according to your choice, then you just have to come to Generate and put the photo of that person in actor reference. Whatever you want the character to look like, you have to upload its reference here. If you want, you can create a web series on yourself by uploading your photo. But for now, I will post a photo of the real Hermione Granger here. After which, if I keep the reference level of prop at maximum and click on Generate Preview, then this AI will start creating a new character. And you can see that now the character it has given me looks exactly like Hermione Granger. So I will click on Apply All. After a few seconds, in every scene of mine where Hermione is going to be there, her looks will change. Hermione only has 2 scenes in episode 1. So this AI has generated a new look of Hermione according to those 2 scenes. Now let me come back and change Harry Potter's look also. Since I want my web series Harry Potter to not look like the movie Harry Potter, that's why I will put the photo of any fictional person here. And to give her a little main lead feel, I will also explain a little about her clothing styling, etc. Because of which the result I got was something like this. I liked this look. So I changed dresses in the remaining 2 scenes in which Harry is there. And finally I have different costumes for all 3 Harry's scenes. Now after Harry I will do the same with Ron too. By the way, if you have noticed, I have worked as both casting director and stylist right now. That too with just a few clicks. Now all your characters are ready. Next thing you will need is a storyboard. So I will click here. Now for those who don't know, let me tell them that the simple meaning of a storyboard is to decide what each frame, or you can say each scene will happen, when and how. Movies and series always have at least 5 to 8 frames within 1 minute. That too from different angles. These things are decided in advance. And so that you don't have to waste your time, this AI will automatically create a storyboard according to your story or script. And believe me, it has done better than my expectations. Because it has created more than 8 frames for the same scene, which no AI is doing right now. And every scene is perfect according to the cinematographic. You can even edit any frame by clicking on Edit. When you click on Edit, you will see the scene text, characters in the scene, explanation of the scene, and what type of shot it is. Even you can see how perfectly the lighting and focus have been created in this scene. I am just learning how to operate a camera. But here literally the cameraman's work ended. Even Lightning Man's. If you go inside the video, you will also see here which character will speak what dialogue. And you can also change this thing. But the most amazing thing here is that you can go back to the image section and decide which character you want to post. You guys literally have all the power in your hands that a filmmaker has. All you have to do is select the post and assign it to the existing character within the scene. If you come out and click on Generate, that scene will change according to that post. As you can see, I even got the scene generated once by deleting the event post tile. And at that time I got this result. On the right-hand side, you will see all your generations. So whichever one you find perfect, you can select it here and finalize it. You can scroll to see where each scene is set and which character is with which character, and what are the dialogues of the actors. All this you will be able to see here. In easy language, you should understand that you alone are doing the work of the entire production house. Now once you are satisfied with all your scenes, after that you just have to click on Edit Video here. After which your scenes will be merged and sent for voiceover. All this work will be happening on the back end. Therefore, you may have to wait a bit. After which you will have a notification bar in front of you, where if you click on Edit, you will come to the editing interface, where all your clips will already be merged perfectly with sound effects and voiceover. Basically, here you have all the control of editing, like which clip should be kept for how many seconds, where to give voiceover, where to apply sound effects. The editing interface is very simple. Therefore, I will not waste time explaining this to you guys. Once you are satisfied with the editing also, all you have to do is export the first episode of your web series by clicking here. Let's take a look at what this AI has created.
Mate, you won't believe the Quidditch matches at Hogwarts.
Really, what's Quidditch?
The greatest sport! On brooms, you've got to see it!
These letters, what if they mean something?
They definitely do! That's the Hogwarts seal!
But I'm just Harry. Ordinary Harry.
Trust me, there's nothing ordinary about you.
Notice anything strange about those letters?
No idea what you mean.
Mysterious seal? Untraceable delivery?
They're just messed up post.
Really? The same letter hundreds of times?
What do you think it means?
Something extraordinary.
I don't know how you like it, but I'm amazed because till now I have not seen any AI that can give me clips of up to 2 minutes. That too with sound effects, voiceover, with different frames, keeping the character consistent and even keeping in mind facial expressions. It's really amazing. You can start an entire YouTube channel with the help of this AI tool just by putting yourself or your friend in the character, with new episodes coming every week, and you will literally have to do zero hard work. Now this was just one feature of SkyReels, but SkyReels has many such unique features. If you click on AI video here, you will find 5 more useful features. The first is text to image. If during this time you insert any image as the first frame and then insert anything totally random as the last image and write a prompt as per your wish, then in a few seconds you will have a clip like this. 5 years ago, it took VFX artists to create humans, and even then Indian series were not able to do it well. But now it has become a game of just seconds. Currently, SkyReels is the only AI that can generate and give you clips up to 30 seconds long. If you choose 30 seconds in the timing section here, after which you upload your first frame here, and then after giving some instructions, you can generate a clip of up to 30 seconds. If each frame has been changed in your instructions also, like I've just done here, you can even storyboard what each of your scenes will look like. After which, if you want, you can get all of them generated together. and you will have some final result like this. Whereas in other AI, you can barely generate 5 to 10 seconds of clip, which is not perfect. You can generate a 30-second clip in SkyReels in which the scenes will also be as per your choice. Both the lighting and the storytelling will be according to you. This is a game changer in literal terms. After this, the next feature is effects. You must have seen many viral AI videos on Instagram. During the day, a person tears his shirt to reveal his body, or two people suddenly start hugging or kissing, or someone becomes a venom. You can create that thing easily here. You just have to upload your image here and then choose any effect. After which, if you click on create, then some such result will be generated for you. Now, the next feature is quite useful to me, because if you put your main character in the first image here and then put something random in the other 3 images and write a prompt in which all the elements are together, you can get a result like this. Isn't this quite a useful thing? Till now. Now you could only edit things in Photoshop and put them together. But with the help of SkyReels AI, you can also give movement to elements by adding them inside the video. Now the next feature after this is the extent. That means you can upload any video and enlarge it naturally. For example, maybe you guys have gone somewhere for a trip. You may have shot something there, but it is a very small clip which you are unable to bring into the video or use in editing. So you can extend that clip naturally with the help of this feature. Here, not only will all the features of the clips be there, but there will also be motion in them. For example, I'll just put this generated video back and give props to this guy starting to walk in the forest. Now this clip was only till here and the rest of the part is extended. Coward is loaded with this feature. And if you come to its homepage and go to Tools, you will find all the tools together here, that too at the same place. Right now, we have tried using maximum tools from it, but the text-to-music remained. If you are a video editor or a filmmaker, then this tool is very useful for you, as you will know how difficult it is to find background music. But now you can generate background music as per your choice. All you have to do here is explain in detail what kind of background music you want. And in just a few seconds, you will have 2 variations. In front of you. Let me tell you both the variations one by one. I gave a completely one-liner prop, but despite that it gave really good results. Just like background music, you also have a tool to generate sound effects. So you can 10x your workflow without any hassle. For example, I asked it to generate the sound of a dragon screaming, and you can hear for yourself how perfectly it generated that. Now after seeing all this, if you feel that you have got a lot of features, then wait, there is more. If you come to lip sync here and upload any of your images or videos, after which if you write any dialogue here, then this AI will make your image speak that dialogue, that too with lip sync.
Hello everyone. I am Parveen Kumar, basically the more Asian version of him. I was pirate few years back, but now he makes me to study.
Isn't it a fun tool? Not only this, there is another feature in SkyReels which makes it even more unique. SkyReels recently launched its version tool which allows you to make longer videos and create effects as well. You can create a similar effect as the shirt tearing effect that you saw a few seconds ago, as per your wish. All you have to do is come here and follow the given steps, and then who knows, you might even set the next trend on Instagram. Now these were all the features that I showed you on the SkyReels platform. But as I said in the beginning, SkyReels is an open source AI. So you guys can see its workflow, you can edit it and even train it. SkyReels has shared its version 2 IE, infinite length film generation model in its open source. That means you can literally use this model and train it as per your needs and generate the desired result from it. You can even see here some demos that have been generated by this model. All its codes and assets which you may need are given here. And using this you can create your own AI. But how do they do all this? This is a long process which I can't cover in this video. So if you want the second part of this video in which I cover this also, then write SkyReels in the comment section. When you get 5,000 comments, I will teach you this thing also. For now, you can start creating your web series right now by visiting SkyReels from the link given in the description. You can access SkyReels for just $6 per month. And believe me, this pricing is nothing compared to the work it is doing. Now I hope you guys have learned to make your own web series. But until then, if you don't know how to make facecam videos without showing your face in front of the camera, then definitely watch this video. In this, I have taught how to do automation with facecam videos without recording. So make sure to watch this. See you in the next video.